What is the least appropriate to include in an email that informs a job applicant that he or she has not been selected for the job after you have interviewed them? Let's go through our choices and, considering the situation, see what would be the least appropriate action to take. A. Thanking the applicant for applying for the job. As professional courtesy always has a place, this choice couldn't be described as inappropriate. While there's no need to write about it at length, beginning with a short thank you for the applicant's time and effort is appropriate. This choice can be marked off. B. Mentioning your positive impressions of the applicant. Similar to choice A, although there's no need to go on about this at length, it can bolster the applicant's morale to hear the positive impression that the interviewee got from them, especially as they won't be getting the job in the end. This can give them the boost they need to continue on their job search and believe in their abilities. So while it doesn't need a full paragraph dedicated to it, mentioning positive points is an appropriate topic to add in the email, and this choice can be marked off. C. Beginning by informing the applicant that he or she has not been selected for the job. When someone is waiting to hear about a job they interviewed for and then sees a message from that company, they'd like to know about the verdict as soon as possible. Therefore, it would be appropriate to let the candidate know as soon as possible whether they've been accepted or rejected. In this case, it would be the proper thing to do to start the message by letting them know politely what the company's decision was. This being the case, this choice can be marked as incorrect. And D. Sending the email from the department general email address rather than your personal work email address. If the decision not to hire was yours, the applicant should receive a more personalized email than the general department, as they'll feel that the decision-making process was impersonal and perhaps you didn't even remember them. This can make the applicant feel unimportant or like the decision was not handled with care. Using a personalized email adds a human touch and reflects professionalism. This being the case, out of all of our choices, this one is the least appropriate and can therefore be marked as our final answer.